What's happening, you guys? My name is Jake. I make lifestyle videos and vlogs, and today I'm going to take you to a very intimate space of mine, which is my room. I'm going to give you a tour of my workspace and how I maintain my productivity and still maintain being efficient in my workspace. So if that's something you're interested in, come along and we're going to have some fun. Jake. I make lifestyle videos and vlogs like I said before, and if you're new here, welcome. If you don't follow me already, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. If you find this video informative or you like it or entertained at all, the big thumbs up button actually means a lot to me, so it takes 2 seconds to click it, and I would really appreciate that. So we are going to start by entering my room from the hallway. When you walk in, you're gonna see my TV immediately and my bed, which is at a diagonal from each other. Immediately to your right, you can see my bookshelf. This is kind of like where I keep all of my knickknacks and things that inspire me. Right above is a picture of my mama and me, and then right next to it is my brothers and my father, as well as a little neon sign that I need to get batteries for. And oh, this little light, this J lights up, so let's put that on for everyone. It just kind of keeps me zen and focused on the things that I like and do. Below that is completely my camera drawer, or my shelf, where I keep all my lenses and my cameras. One tier below that is my bookshelf, where I keep all of my books and my scripts, and then below that is where I keep all of my scripts and my books for auditioning, and right below that is my printer and my little messy cluttered workspace that I'm trying to organize right now. It's just a lot of gear and hard drives and extra things that you don't really need to see, but there they are. Right next to that is my wall of hats. I really enjoy wearing hats, actually, as much as I do love my hair, which, by the way, my hair is looking pretty full and good. If you want to see the products that I'm using currently for my hair and my skin, check out the video in the info card above, as well as use code HHT3268 to receive $5 off if you decide you like any of those products. Anyway, back to my room. Right next to it is my TV and my dresser with my succulents. Right next to that, I also have my oil diffuser that I try to keep on 24/7. And then, of course, you can't be a content creator without a ring light. So there's my ring light. It actually works really great for my plants that I have. I have a fiddle leaf right there. And then this was a gift from my dear friend Stephanie, the Curl Ninja. I'll link a card to her channel in the info card above as well. And then also we can see ourselves right here. Say hi, YouTube. This is where you probably have seen a lot of my thirst trap pictures on Instagram taken in this mirror right here, so you're welcome on that. Right there is my ukulele. I actually just put this light up that is a plant light, but it also shines down on my ukulele and my big boy right here. For those of you that haven't followed me on Instagram, I am pretty into plants right now, and I've become kind of a plant dad during quarantine. So all of the light I can get, since this window is not in direct sunlight. Moving on to where the magic happens. And by magic, I mean the magic of sleep, because it has been a long time since I've gotten a good night's sleep. But I think that's just because of stress and anxiety and just being up and creating stuff. But that is my living area, even though this all is my entire living area. Let's move on to my workspace, which is right next to my bed. So right here we have a sign that I'm not gonna show you what the lettering says. It's WAP. So if you know what that is, that's what it is. But here we go. Here is my calendar. I showed you guys in an older video where I got this calendar at Target, and it is glass, and I just use dry erase markers to put in my due dates on all the content that I'm creating. Right here is my microphone that I got a stand and a pop filter for. I'm doing a little gig on the side that I will announce when it goes live, but I've had to use audio and upgrade my audio game, so this has been a lifesaver. Also, this desk is just a little stand I got from IKEA that I can pull into my bed and work from my bed, or I can scoot it up to my bed and use that as my chair. So anyway, that is a tour of my workspace. It is a tour of my room. It is where I find comfort and inspiration, and I know a lot of you guys have talked to me about sharing more like personal stuff about my life and what I do to stay motivated and active and positive. And my room is really where I keep a lot of my personal belongings, obviously, but things that inspire me. It's not only where I'm inspired, but it's also where I create. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, go follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And I will see you guys in the next one. Please remember to be safe, make sure you are registered to vote, and always remember, there is nothing to prove, only something to share. I'll see you guys in the next one. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Sleep with the doors unlocked.